Namaste children. Today we are going to discuss about the discovery of sea routes. The discovery of sea routes from Europe. We know very well that no part of Western Europe is too far from the ocean. See here, and this is Western Europe. So this part is Western Europe. Almost here we got Arctic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean. Here we got Antarctic Ocean. So the western part of is European continent is not too far from the ocean. Then what did they get benefit through that? Have they benefited anything from the oceans which are surrounded, especially western part of Europe, and even southern part also? It is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea, Western Atlantic Ocean, Northern Arctic Ocean. So three sides almost it is surrounded by this ocean. We know very well that. And whereas if you observe that many countries of whether Asia or Africa or America, the interior countries of America, Africa and Asia, they are too far from the ocean, too far. But whereas the Western European countries, they are very much nearby the ocean. That's why here they got good trade relations with other countries. Because of that, they got trade relations with other countries, especially at these European countries, and they maintain good relation with ocean, and as well as, and they are very much they have become so skilled in building the ships and boats. The manufacturing of the ships and boats, and even that helped a lot for performing an international trade to all other countries. So here if you observe that Western European countries, they maintain, not only Western European countries or European countries, they maintain international trade with which countries they maintain international trade, if you observe clearly, and they maintain a trade with India first of all. So let us have where India located. So where is India? Where is Europe? So this is Europe, and this is Europe, and this is India. Okay, this is Europe and this is India. And not only that, they maintain an international trade with even in Indonesia also. This is Indonesia of Asian continent. And even another you observe that another country that you observe that there's again Indonesia and another country which you can see. So you can see that relations, trade relations, that is especially here you get an information that, my dear children, so they maintain trade relations with even in China also. So they perform trade with India, China and Indonesia. Then you will get a doubt how it is possible. So this is Europe, and how Europe maintain or perform a trade relations with India, China and Indonesia, which is far away from Europe, especially, and even these countries are belong to Asian continent. How? Well, let us have a look. And see here, how did they maintain trade relations with India? This is Mediterranean Sea, and here there is one mark. See here, and this is the route. How did they enter? How did they enter? And even from Red Sea also. So the distance become very less. So this is Mediterranean Sea. From Mediterranean Sea, Iran, Iraq, then Pakistan, Afghanistan, whereas here Red Sea, Africa, and Arabian Sea, and Indian and India. So there is a direct trade route to India, especially. So what kind of trade they perform? Especially they perform trade with India, Indonesia, China. Number one, cotton, which we can say textiles industry, and then cloves, and then pepper, and here we can say that pepper, and before which that is cinnamon. This is actually no, that this is cinnamon. So these are the especially spices. So the spices made the trade of spices made these people so rich, and even not only this, even they exchange some important things like gold also, which is famous, and even gems, and even ivory, and they perform trade with China. So my dear children, what you have to remember that they maintain a good trade with the India, China, and as well as Indonesia, especially which is a symbol of these spices. But what happened suddenly? Our topic is discovery of sea routes from Europe, and they are maintaining good relations, trade relations with India. But unfortunately, what happened? The route which was we explained that what happened? The route was closed. The route was closed. See here. Here we know very well that. So this is the route. So they are coming from Mediterranean Sea and Iran and Turkey here. When in the year 1400 AD, when it was caught by Sultan of Turkey, and the Constantinople was captured, and he closed the trade route through these countries, especially Turkey, Iraq, and Iran. And then, as they were very much benefited through these routes, through these countries, especially trade concern. But when it was closed, when the route was closed, and there was the necessary for discovering a sea route to Asia, especially a sea route to Asia. So we know very well that Indonesia, China, and India, they are belong to Asian continent, and that's why when the route was closed from Turkey and Iran, and then we know very well there is one proverb that necessity is the mother of invention. So necessity is the mother of invention. So there was a big necessity for finding a sea route to Asian continent especially. And not only that, they discovered sea routes to America, and even India, and especially. So these are the sea routes which was discovered by Europeans. And who discovered a sea route to India? Who discovered sea route to India? Anybody? So he was the man, Mr. Vasco da Gama. He was the man, Vasco da Gama, from Europe. He was from Portugal. Hey, Jaya. So he was Mr. Vasco da Gama from Portugal, and he discovered a sea route to India. And this man, Christopher Columbus, and he discovered a sea route to America. See, Columbus set out three ships in 1492 to cross the Atlantic Ocean. After 3 months of sailing, he saw land ahead. Columbus thought that he had reached India. Actually, he was still far from India. He had reached the country which we now call the West Indies. When he reached the western side, see how nicely Columbus was. What a smiley face, Christopher Columbus. And even you people, my dear children, you should have smiley face. then everybody likes you. If you keep your face, dirty face, and even pessimist face, nobody will like you. Try to have a smiley face, my dear children. So see, he thought that it is India, that's why he has given a name that Red Indians, but actually he reached West Indies. And there are a group of islands near America. In fact, Europeans did not know of America before Columbus. In a way, he stumbled into America soon. Europeans realized that Columbus had not reached any but a new unknown continent. After that, several Europeans went to America to trade, conquer, and settle. And the ships of those times had sails to harness wind power. They sailed with ease, with the winds blowing westwards towards America. Were they the westerlies? No, they were not the westerlies, which blew towards Europe. So this is very important. See here, and if you observe this, the blows which blows towards Europe, especially western side, such we call it as westerlies or trade winds, and which blew from the south of Europe towards southwest direction. They blew throughout the year. So see these, they blew throughout the year and took ships from southwest Europe to the east coast of America. They are called trade winds. They are called trade winds. And the westerlies blow from the southwest to northeast to the southeast. In other words, the two winds blow in opposite directions all through the year, and this helped Europeans to travel to and from America easily. And they could go to America using the trade winds. And my dear children, you have to answer these questions. Which winds would help the sailors to return to Europe from America? Once again, which winds would help the sailors to return to Europe from America? And could the sail-driven ships use the trade winds to return to Europe? And you must give some reasons also. Why such like that? And we know very well that after Columbus, the Europeans, we know very well that very important Columbus. After Columbus, Europe discovered several sea routes. They could now sail not only to America but also to different parts of Africa, India, and Australia. Not only America, but also to different parts. See here, how many sea routes? Almost all from Europe only. They traded with these countries and amassed immense wealth which was used to develop industries in Europe. So that's about the sea routes. And now I would like to ask you one question. Who discovered sea route to India? Who discovered sea route to America? And which winds would help the sailors to return to Europe from America? And what are westerlies? Which winds are treated or called as westerlies? And which winds called as trade winds? So this is very, very important. You must remember.